Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, bed liner, alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control system, fog lights, outside temperature gauge, backup camera, heated seats, auxiliary audio input. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.